everyone, and welcome to the Easycutedraws channel. Today we are going to draw Mickey Mouse and his friends, Minnie Mouse, Pluto, Donald Duck, Daisy Death, and Goofy. I start to draw Mickey Mouse first. I draw his big rounded ears, shape of his face. I draw his eyes, his nose, and I draw him smiling mouse. Now I will make it visible with black marker and color the ears. Now let's draw Minnie Mouse. I started with her shape of head, her eyes and eyelashes, her nose and smiling mouse. Then I draw a cute bow with dots onto the top of her head between her ears and make it visible. Let's draw Goofy. I draw his ears, his face, and eyes. Now draw a mouth and two teeth. Then draw his hat onto the top of his head. And his open mouth, and finally his nose. Now I will use black marker. I'm drawing Daisy Duck. I draw her eye and her beak wide open and the other eye with eyelashes. Now I draw shape of head and a cute bow onto the top of her head and use black marker. Let's draw Donald Duck. I start with his hat, his face, and eyes. Then I draw his beak wide open and make it more visible with black marker. Continue with Pluto. I draw his ears, his eyes, nose, and mouth and make it visible with black marker. Fantastic! Great job, artist! If you like this video, subscribe channel and like this video.